Here is a beginner-level production manager quiz that covers production workforce training and development, production capacity planning, and cycle time reduction and bottleneck management. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of workforce training in production management? A. To increase employee salaries. B. To enhance employee skills and improve efficiency. C. To reduce the number of workers needed. And D. To encourage employees to take more breaks. The answer is to enhance employee skills and improve efficiency. Question 2. Which of the following is a key component of an effective workforce training program? A. Random job assignments. B. Reducing employee interactions. C. Structured learning and hands-on practice. And D. Assigning untrained employees to critical tasks. The answer is structured learning and hands-on practice. Question 3. What does cross-training in production refer to? A. Training employees in multiple roles to increase flexibility. B. Training employees to work slower for quality control. C. Encouraging employees to take breaks during production. And D. Teaching only new hires. The answer is training employees in multiple roles to increase flexibility. Question 4. Which of the following improves workforce efficiency in production? A. Hiring employees without experience. B. Avoiding skill development programs. C. Assigning the same task repeatedly without feedback. And D. Providing regular training and upskilling programs. The answer is providing regular training and upskilling programs. Question 5. What is production capacity planning? A. Determining the maximum output a production system can achieve. B. Reducing production levels to avoid work. C. Ignoring demand fluctuations. And D. Increasing production without considering workforce availability. The answer is determining the maximum output a production system can achieve. Question 6. Why is capacity planning important in manufacturing? A. It focuses only on increasing machine costs. B. It ensures products are always out of stock. C. It limits production potential permanently. And D. It helps in balancing demand and production capabilities. The answer is, it helps in balancing demand and production capabilities. Question 7. Which of the following factors affects production capacity planning? A. The number of marketing advertisements. B. Machine availability and maintenance schedules. C. The company's holiday calendar. And D. The CEO's personal opinion. The answer is machine availability and maintenance schedules. Question 8. What is the best strategy for managing fluctuations in production demand? A. Hiring and firing employees frequently. B. Stopping production during low demand. C. Implementing flexible workforce and shift adjustments. And D. Reducing machine maintenance schedules. The answer is implementing flexible workforce and shift adjustments. Question 9. Which of the following improves cycle time reduction in production? A. Delaying process improvements. B. Automating repetitive tasks. C. Increasing manual paperwork. And D. Reducing machine efficiency. The answer is automating repetitive tasks. Question 10. What does cycle time refer to in manufacturing? A. The time required to complete one unit of production. B. The amount of time an employee spends on lunch. C. The time taken to complete a full shift. And D. The total time spent in a meeting. The answer is the time required to complete one unit of production. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which tool is commonly used to identify bottlenecks in production? A. Gantt chart, B. Pareto analysis, C. Fishbone diagram, and D. Both B and C. The answer is both B and C. Question 12. What is the primary cause of bottlenecks in production? A. Overloaded workstations with limited capacity. B. Employees working at high efficiency. C. Regular machine maintenance. And D. High product quality. The answer is overloaded workstations with limited capacity. Question 13. Which strategy is effective in reducing production bottlenecks? A. Increasing workload without analyzing the process. B. Redistributing work to balance capacity. C. Ignoring slow processes. And D. Keeping machine maintenance at a minimum. The answer is redistributing work to balance capacity. Question 14. What is the benefit of cycle time reduction in manufacturing? A. Higher employee turnover. B. More machine breakdowns. C. Faster production and increased efficiency. And D. Increased production costs. The answer is faster production and increased efficiency. Question 15. Which of the following negatively impacts cycle time? A. Unnecessary movement of materials. B. Efficient layout planning. C. Automation of tasks. And D. Reducing waste in the process. The answer is unnecessary movement of materials. Question 16. Which method helps in identifying and resolving bottlenecks? A. Ignoring workflow inefficiencies. B. Value stream mapping. C. Increasing the number of tasks without evaluation. And D. Reducing workforce training programs. The answer is value stream mapping. Question 17. What is the theory of constraints, TOC, used for? A. Avoiding process changes. B. Increasing production time without analysis. C. Hiring more employees without process improvement. And D. Identifying and eliminating bottlenecks in production. The answer is identifying and eliminating bottlenecks in production. Question 18. Which factor contributes to excess cycle time? A. optimized workstation layout, B. inefficient material handling, C. reducing delays in decision-making, and D. automating processes. The answer is inefficient material handling. Question 19. Which strategy helps in reducing cycle time? A. Reducing machine efficiency. B. Increasing unnecessary process steps. C. Lean manufacturing. And D. Avoiding workforce training. The answer is lean manufacturing. Question 20. What is a key objective of bottleneck management? A. Identifying slow processes and improving them. B. Ignoring inefficiencies. C. Increasing workload without process adjustments. And D. Avoiding data analysis. The answer is identifying slow processes and improving them. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.